Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have what's called Menglisi bracelets for couples. And it says, will keep you confident, comfortable, and beautiful. So let's check this thing out, see what it is. We have the little package here. It comes with the alcohol prep pad. And then we have the bracelets in here. Not sure why you need an alcohol prep pad, but here we go. And this is what it looks like here. I guess this is going to be probably for the dude. And you see it's got that little circly thing on it. And then this is for the other half, the white one here. So it can go on like with my bracelets there. And then the whole concept, I guess, is they would go together to form a full circle when you put them together like this. You see, they would go kind of like that yin yang or something like that. So you can connect them up. So how cute is that? So, I can wear one and my whoever it is, the lucky lady can wear the other one. Very cool. Cool little bracelets here. I like these. I'm not sure what the alcohol prep pad is for. It's not like you're doing it surgically inside of anything, but maybe you can just clean your wrist or clean these up at some point to keep them nice and pretty. But these are nice. I like them. So very cool. Uh, Thumbs up for sure. Can't wait to try them out.